Let's go. Yes, I found the big.
We put up to the McCloud Lower Falls thinking we'll do the whole thing, lower, mid, and upper. Yeah, we made it to the lower and call it a win. The kids step into the shallow end like little champs until the water hits. It was hella cold, like instantly questioning their life choices. No lifeguards out here, just slick rocks and us yelling, "Be careful," every 2 seconds while pretending not to slip ourselves. Slow motions makes everything look peaceful. Don't let it fool you. There's chaos just outside the frame. Mid and upper falls? Nah. After about 5 minutes, we look at each other. Trying to hike? And all silently agree, nope. Still a good stop. Cold water, good laugh. Nobody fell in, barely. And we got just enough of nature to say we did something today. We'll catch the rest of the falls next time. Just ensure that, hey, you like, subscribe, or just shake your head at us. Either way, we're out.